welcome back to my channel Explore Bindas. What's up with you, and welcome to another different vlog on my channel. So today I'm going to film something for you which you should know about. Actually, you should have knowledge about, or might be it can help you. So stay tuned and do not go anywhere. Meanwhile, like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, I have to tell you something. I told you I'm going somewhere. This is a beauty of beauty. Now just have a look at the shots जो मैं shot अभी डाल रही हूँ, and then we'll let you know about it. Okay guys, make sure to like it. Okay, make sure to like it. सो गाइस, मैं हूँ बेसिकली टेस्ला के शोरूम में. Recently in Darbar Bagh in Kathmandu, Tesla showroom has opened, and I came here because I am, some of the other hand, I am a car lover. I love to drive cars, which I don't drive in Kathmandu, but I got to know that Tesla have arrived in Kathmandu, and I really wanted to see this beauty. Look at this beauty. The other one you must have seen the shot, the Model X, the top model with, you know, the updoors and everything. And now I'm going to tell you about the characteristics. I will not tell you because I'm not technically strong. I know the basics about it, but we have some person to tell you. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm so happy to be here. The car is looking, it's just a beauty with the beast. I can't tell you. Now let me take you to the person where we have all the knowledge. So guys, we have Simran here. Whenever you come, you want to have a knowledge about it, you have some query about it, you can come to the showroom and ask Simran. Hi Simran.
Hi everyone.
So she will let you know all the characteristics, and they have another staff as well.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tesla showroom. So here we have Tesla Model 3. This is our standard range version, and this car we directly imported from California, USA, and you can see the color is red. The color is very beautiful.
Standard
So we
range.
have two ranges in Model 3. One is standard, other one is long range and the performance. So this one is standard.
Okay. This one is standard. So you were telling something outside. Can you little bit repeat about the charger system and the how much kilometer they can, charge for?
So as I was saying, this is a standard range. So in one full charge, it goes around 430 kilometer, and the battery capacity is around 170 kilowatt.
Okay.
So that's it, and the charging time is around 5 hours from the wall connector, the three-phase charger as you mentioned earlier.
Yeah, we can have three-phase charger at home because in Nepal we don't have
Charging
supercharger stations.
Supercharge,
They have charger in the car, that the standard charger they give with the car. It will take another 3-4 hours to charge. If you have three-phase line at home, it will charge in
5 hours. No, 5 hours. That'll take 5 hours.
Yeah.
So we don't have charging stations. That's why we provide you DC charger in case of emergency. So that'll take a bit longer, around 12 hours for full charge. And if government places the different charging stations around, then that'll take only 30 minutes for full charge.
Okay. That's great.
That's great.
I was so excited to come, and the red color is very nice and luxurious color. So I was just thinking to go, and because this is fully automatic EV car, and it has no engine, guys.
No engine.
There is only motor and
Batteries,
and you will be surprised, battery is not in the bonnet.
Yeah.
There is no battery in the bonnet.
But that
Can we open this?
Actually, this is fixed, so we cannot open it.
Okay.
It has two layers. It also has UV ray coating here.
Okay.
Okay, so as soon as it hits the sunlight, it gives you the orangey kind of reflection.
Sure. It's just
it
like UV rays will not harm you. There is no any cover on the roof.
Yeah.
It will not open, but it has a UV
Coating.
protective coating.
Yeah.
And It gives, as she said, the orange
Orangey shine when it
something
hits
like
the
that.
sunlight. Yeah.
And it will protect your skin as well,
Yeah,
especially
yeah.
for women's basically.
Yeah.
Look at the screen, guys.
So the screen is 15 inches screen.
Okay.
So all the benefits, all the features, and all the operation of the car, you can do it from here. So you can see here the options right here. This is the car
Okay.
icon. So here you can see the quick controls, lights. So we also have 12 ultrasonic sensors and 8 cameras which give you 360-degree visibility. Also works as a CCTV camera, and it has 16 airbags including 4 curtain airbags.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So
Okay, so this is the software, and all the software of the car, it updates by itself. It gets updated itself.
and I also got to know that you can connect this software with your phone.
Yeah, definitely.
This is mobile charging.
Yeah, this is for mobile charging purpose,
Okay.
and you can here's just
We can keep some
spaces there.
stuff here,
Okay.
and you too keep the glass. And I think they have this thing also, you know.
Here also we also have some spaces right here.
Yeah. Okay. It goes like this only, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how to charge from here?
No, just you keep the phone and it gets charged.
Oh, it's wireless,
Wireless
charger. So
charger.
you are getting the wireless charger also.
Yeah.
So we are going to open this trunk, and he will handle all the automation, the control system from the digital screen. Can you open it, Rohan? Look at this, guys.
Okay.
Look at this. It's open.
Look at the space right
See.
here. You can keep your little suitcase or briefcase or any other stuffs you want to.
Yeah.
And we've also got space on the back.
Okay. So one thing I wanted to know,
Okay.
guys, this is the front, like a bonnet. No engine there.
Okay,
Yeah. So
so
we got this kit.
This is the first aid kit
Yeah.
from Tesla itself. So you can
Yeah.
see all the stuffs in here as well.
So this is first aid, guys. We are getting first aid also. I think these are some tools. These are some tools, and this is first aid.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And to open the tools and everything, we got this thing also. And baby, can you sit here?
Okay.
And don't put your shoes on the car, okay? Just like this. So if you're going for a picnic or somewhere, because if you are in mountains or something, you can sit like this and play some music.
This is the back trunk. You can open it from the display screen as well. Also from your phone.
Okay.
Also, it's manual.
Okay, so we can also operate from phone, from that digital control.
Yeah. And manually.
And manually, okay.
Okay, so you can see the space is really huge.
Yeah.
Here, that's the charger.
If we buy any EV car, we get this charger, and this is the normal charger,
No,
right?
the DC charger.
DC charger, yeah.
Portable charger.
Yeah. And the another space they
We
have.
also have inside.
Yes. Look at this. If you're going for a long term, like long trip, you can keep your stuff here. If you're going for a picnic, you can also keep your stuff here. And if the charger is there, you can also keep that charger inside this car. And really nice.
Yeah, so
Maza
the
aa gaya.
motor and the battery life, the warranty is around 8 years.
Motor life and battery life is 8
It's
years.
8 years.
And where is the motor?
Motor is here and in the front. तलपट्टि हुन्छ
Tala, oh.
तलपट्टि
Okay.
हुन्छ अगाडिको तल र पछाडिको तल हुन्छ
Okay, and one more thing I noticed, when you open this car, the mirror comes down itself. Can you show it to
So
you?
whenever we close, it goes up as well.
Yeah.
Whenever we open, it comes down.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah, that's nice. सो गाइस, आपने जो भी देखी थी वो थी रेड वाली स्टैंडर्ड कार. अब जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, दिस इज़ द बीस्ट, ब्यूटी विद द बीस्ट. दिस इज़ द टॉप मॉडल, मॉडल एक्स, जिसके डोर आपने देखे अभी. और वी हैव समवन विद अस, वी हैव रोहन विद अस, who is gonna tell everything about this car, and you have to take me on the ride also on this car. Can you? So guys, we have this model X, and as he said, Rohan told us this is the top model. So Rohan, what we call this door, like it goes up like this, what is the category is it? These are the normal
These are
doors.
normal doors.
Yeah.
These ones are called Falcon wing doors because they open like a bird.
Oh,
Like
Falcon
wings.
wings doors.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. And this is like 5-seater?
7-seaters.
7-seater. So
Yeah.
2 in the front, 3
Three in the middle, 2 at
and
the back.
then from the back. Okay, that's great. So what are the mileage? What क्या खाती है, क्या पीती है ये? क्या
बिजली
चाहिए
खाती
इसको?
है।
बिजली खाती है। नाइस। ऑफ रोड?
ऑफ रोड जा सकती है लेकिन लेके नहीं जाते उतना।
what do you say about this Himalayan roads, because these all are mountains.
I've taken it off road a few times. It can go.
You have taken to the mountains
Not the mountains, but like on rough road.
on the rough roads. Okay, but I think this is sedan plus SUV
The
kind of crossover.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
You can see, guys, you can see the screen here is 17 inches screen.
Wow.
Yeah, so you got a safety cabinet right here. You just click the arrow button here and then it asks for a password, and then the safety cabinet opens, so you can put your credit card, expensive jewelries and many more here.
Okay, we can put all
Yeah,
the essentials
all those
like
stuffs.
jewelries
Yeah,
and cash and everything.
because it is safety.
So yeah, that's great. We have
Okay.
spotted. If you are a music lover, long drive,
Yeah.
music, nothing else, guys.
Yeah, and
nothing else.
also, and also the music system of Tesla Model X is the best music system among all the cars in the world.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. She's loving the song. Okay, she's loving the song right there. Look at her.
I cannot play it because copyright on it.
Acha, okay.
Guys, look at the keys. Oh my god, it's a small miniature car.
Yeah.
See if you can guess. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at this. Okay,
Yeah,
so
okay.
can you show the functions, please, Simran?
Okay. Okay. If I just double click here, the back trunk will open. If you can see.
Oh, that side, that's the back side open.
So if you press the side one, double click, that opens. Okay. Open the door.
So my daughter was standing in front of the door and it was not opening because there is a sensor that
12
there somebody is
ultrasonic
standing
sensors,
here.
Yeah. So 12
Okay.
ultrasonic sensor it has. So you double click here on the side. The door opens.
Yo.
And also you double click on the other side.
Look at those wings,
The
guys.
other door opens.
The black wings.
Yeah. So for the front trunk, you just press twice on the front.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
the door is manual.
Okay, the
so
front trunk is manual.
Yeah. So you just unlock it from here.
Okay.
Double click. It just opens.
Okay,
But we
okay.
have to do it manually.
And what about the digital control? It is not through the digital control. Outside you have inside there is a
It's
screen.
from the digital control as
Also,
well.
also,
Also
okay,
from the digital control.
So this is the space inside.
Okay, the front trunk and the back trunk, the total volume is 88 cubic.
So this is spacious, guys.
Uh-huh.
You can park the car somewhere near beach or mountain or forest and sit here.
Like here.
Yes, and listen to music.
7-seated SUV car has an automatic air suspension.
Okay.
Maximum ground clearance is 230 mm. So you don't
Ground clearance 230 mm.
maximum clearance.
Okay.
Which means कि if you go off road मा पनि it just adjust itself. The suspension कति चाहिन्छ off road मा त्यही हिसाबले
Adjustment
माथि जान्छ
हुन्छ।
हैन. So if
So it has that programming.
that programming, it has automatic air suspension.
that's
230 mm maximum ground clearance. Apart from that, it has safety feature. It has again 16 airbags.
16 airbags, my lord.
The battery
Great.
capacity is 250 kilowatt
Huh.
and goes around 565 kilometers.
565 kilometers and one time charge.
One time charge.
So you said the motor system is down there.
Yeah. So it's a dual motor.
Okay.
We have two motors in the front as well as in the back.
Okay.
Right.
And that is the suspension, I think. Okay.
And it is 4-wheel drive. This is all-wheel drive, but that one is rear-wheel drive.
Okay, it's 4-wheel drive.
This one is
That's
4-wheel
great.
drive.
Okay, I'll push
Okay,
it.
push it. Push the brake and then it closes automatically.
Wow.
Okay, so this is how it works.
So we can close the door by hand manually, we can close the door by brake, we can close the door by digital control.
By the key,
By the keys.
by your phone app,
Yes.
smartphone.
So it has app, Tesla has app. Whatever you have Tesla car, you can connect it with the app. Wherever you're sitting, you can control by your mobile also. If you forget to switch off your car, you are sitting somewhere, you can do it by your app. So yeah guys, yeah.
Okay, she is loving the car.
So guys, this is it for now. Thanks to Simran and
You're
Rohan.
welcome. Rohan
And
is not
Rohan.
here.
And
Rohan
you
is
know,
gone.
मेरा फेस ना क्लोज से बहुत मोटा आता है. Simran,
अच्छा,
you
okay.
You are the thinner one. So basically guys, ये था आज का मेरा ब्लॉग. मैं आगे और भी करना चाह रही थी, लेकिन मुझे लगा ये ही मेरे ख्याल से काफ़ी बड़ा हो जाएगा. But I will see. I'm going for a food right now. And this is Tesla. I told you everything about it. कहाँ है? What is the address? from where you can buy. Here's a Simran. You can come and connect with her. She will let you know all the characteristics of the car. So guys, this is it. Tesla के लिए यहीं तक था. आप लोगों को जैसा भी करना है, you can comment down below also if you want me to connect with them. I can also do that. लेकिन stay safe, stay happy, use mask. मैं लगा रही हूँ, मैंने शूट करने के लिए उतार दिया था, तो मैं वापस लगा रही हूँ. मेरी बेटी ने भी लगाया हुआ है.
मैंने नहीं लगाया.
Use sanitizer.